Hello, friends! Today we're going to have fun learning the English alphabet. Let's learn how to say, write, and recognize each letter so we can start reading and writing amazing words. Let's learn the letter A. A is for ant. Ant starts with the letter A. Ant. Can you say a? Let's learn the letter B. B is for ball. Ball starts with the letter B. Ball. Can you say B? Let's learn the letter C. C is for cake. Cake starts with the letter C. Cake. Can you say C? Let's learn the letter D. D is for duck. Duck starts with the letter D. Duck. Can you say D? Let's learn the letter E. E is for egg. Egg starts with the letter E. Egg. Can you say E? Let's learn the letter F. F is for fish. Fish starts with the letter F. Fish. Can you say F? Let's learn the letter G. G is for grass. Grass starts with the letter G. Grass. Can you say G? Let's learn the letter H. H is for horse. Horse start with the letter H. Horse. Can you say H? Let's learn the letter I. I is for igloo. Igloo starts with the letter I. Igloo. Can you say I? Let's learn the letter J. J is for juice. Juice starts with the letter J. Juice. Can you say J? Let's learn the letter K. K is for kite. Kite starts with the letter K. Kite. Can you say K? Let's learn the letter L. L is for lemon. Lemon starts with the letter L. Lemon. Can you say L? Let's learn the letter M. M is for moon. Moon starts with the letter M. Moon. Can you say M? Let's learn the letter N. N is for notebook. Notebook starts with the letter N. Notebook. Can you say N? Let's learn the letter O. O is for orange. Orange starts with the letter O. Orange. Can you say O? Let's learn the letter P. P is for pencil. Pencil starts with the letter P. Pencil. Can you say P? Let's learn the letter Q. Q is for quail. Quail starts with the letter Q. Quail. Can you say Q? Let's learn the letter R. R is for rocket. Rocket starts with the letter R. Rocket. Can you say R? Let's learn the letter S. S is for sun. Sun starts with the letter S. Sun. Can you say S? Let's learn the letter T. T is for tree. Tree starts with the letter T. Tree. Can you say T? Let's learn the letter U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn starts with the letter U. Unicorn. Can you say U? Let's learn the letter V. V is for volcano. Volcano starts with the letter V. Volcano. Can you say V? Let's learn the letter W. W is for whale. Whale starts with the letter W. Whale. Can you say W? Let's learn the letter X. X is for Xerox. Xerox starts with the letter X. Xerox. Can you say X? Let's learn the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo starts with the letter Y. Yo-yo. Can you say Y? Let's learn the letter Z. Z is for zoo. Zoo starts with the letter Z. Zoo. Can you say Z? Great job, super readers! Now you know all 26 letters of the alphabet. Keep practicing and soon you'll be reading and writing like a pro. Thanks for learning with me. See you next time.